So this is a song called Handsome Girl by Daniel Ate the Sandwich, who's another ukulele player that I found on YouTube. I have a secret obsession with that. When she posted this song, she wrote it about gender stereotypes and how we say, oh, this girl's pretty, that girl's ugly, that kind of thing. And this was kind of her way of saying that it doesn't really matter. And I find it moving. Pretty girl, oh pretty girl, you are softer than the sheets you lay upon. Handsome boy, you are stronger than any man that's come before you. And these are the words they have chosen to mark you. And pretty boy, oh pretty boy, you are plumes of white smoke hanging in the sky. Handsome girl, you are wide and built like bridges held on water. And these are the words they have chosen to mark you. And these are the words they have chosen to choose you. Pretty girl, oh pretty boy, your tendons pull your weight like carpet rides. Handsome boy, handsome girl, we are both from the same place deep inside her. Under my clothes, I am organs red and thin as paper dolls. Under my skin, I am cold stacks of mazes made to move.